everyone, I'm Livewire. I just received this package from Ants on a Melon. Let's go ahead and unbox it together. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need. There's a Ants on a Melon holographic sticker, the critter case, which is a hard shell case, which unzips and gives you space to contain your RGB critter. There's also a small pouch inside for you to keep any parts that you might want to carry with you. The critter key for accessing your USB charging port and battery. 2 extra O-rings to keep your RGB critter sealed from any dust or moisture. A USB charging cable. 2 cards. One is your quick start guide that contains information about how to charge your RGB critter for the first time, as well as unlock it, as well as some QR codes for you to scan to download the user guide and demos. And the RGB critter, it features a silicone shell that has a really cool pattern on it, as well as a 3-button system with raised buttons that you can feel in the dark. The RGB critter also has an end cap that can be removed to access the USB charging port and battery. Finally, the BitWhip accessory. This is the Glitter Bomb BitWhip accessory, and it has a sparkle finish to the fibers. It easily attaches to the end of your RGB critter. Just twist on the accessory. You can see that really beautiful star effect with these sparkle fibers. Thanks for joining us while we unbox the RGB critter and BitWhip accessory. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to stay up to date.